Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be back again to show you another beautiful hairstyle that I'm making for my daughter. This one is so easy. It is beginner friendly. If you have an issue with cornrowing, then this video is definitely for you. Your child can use it to school, for party, graduation, family outing, whatever occasion you have. This hairstyle should be your go-to. Now, the first thing I like to do is to perfectly moisturize her hair, because of course her hair is natural hair and it can be very hard sometimes. It can tangle sometimes, so I like to moisturize her hair properly with leave-in conditioner, water, and oil, of course, on a very clean hair, because I just washed her hair now. Now, the first thing I'm doing is that I am sectioning this hair in bigger chunks, because like I said, this hair is beginner friendly, it is child friendly, and I do not want to waste so much time on this particular hair, so I want to make it a little bit chunky. Yes, so I'm just making big sections. After I'm done that, I've gotten the size I actually want, I'm going to go ahead and just use shine and jam gel just to clear the patterns, to clear the edges, and just to ensure that every single thing is put together and there's no fly away. After I've gotten the big chunk, I use this rubber band that I got online to basically hold that section of the hair, just like you can see, and then I divide that particular section into two, use a little rubber band to hold one side, and then I start braiding one side. That is how this hair is going to be. This hair is very easy. Any single person can try it. After I'm done, I now braid the second side of the hair, just like you can see in this video. Yes, so right now I'm going to allow you to enjoy this video without ranting and yapping, and I'm going to see you at the end. So this is the final look of this hairstyle. I'm so in love with this hairstyle. It's so neat, it's so child friendly, and trust me, your babies are going to love this hair. I had to just design it a little just by the ear, and I love accessorizing my daughter's hair. That's like my best part of making her hair. Please subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and let me know if you're going to recreate this hairstyle, just your thoughts generally. Bye.